private partnership between the United States and these incredible private sector partners with a goal to make the distribution of this vaccine as convenient to you as the flu vaccine is. And working in partnership with our states, because the states know the situation on the ground, and we work to support them. And we will ship millions of doses of vaccine within 24 hours of FDA approval. So my message is hope and help are on the way. Operation Warp Speed is already delivering, and it's going to keep delivering in the days and weeks ahead. Thank you very much, Mr. Vice President.
Well said. Let me say, my hope is that Americans looking on and all of you responsible for sharing the news know that this team, working in cooperation with our states and with the cooperation of the American people, has made great progress. And we're getting there. We're getting there, America. And as I said at the outset, let me say, I hope it's more in evidence as you hear from this team about the abundance of supplies that are available today for our hospitals, our ability to track what's happening at your local hospital to make sure that it has the PPE and the equipment and supplies to provide the health care that your family may need. I hope as you heard about the extraordinary distribution plans of Operation Warp Speed and the confidence that Dr. Fauci expressed today, and the news that one of those research companies is going to submit an emergency use authorization tomorrow on the very first vaccine, that we are literally, we could well be just a matter of a few short weeks away from a vaccine being available across this country for the most vulnerable among us and for those that are caring for them in our hospitals and our clinics. I hope everything you've heard today gives evidence of what I said at the start, that America has never been more prepared to combat this virus. But let me be clear as I close. We all have a role to play in the days ahead. And you heard this team say, as we see that finish line, as we see light at the end of the tunnel, as President Trump often says, and you should see evidence here that we are rounding the corner to that day that we have a vaccine for the American people. We do want to encourage every American to continue to do your part. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, wear a mask when social distancing isn't possible. Do your part to put the health of your family, the health of your neighbors, the health of the people in your community first. We are all in this together. And as I've said many times from this podium over many, many months, I know that with the cooperation of the American people, with our incredible doctors and nurses and first responders, with the extraordinary partnership of federal and state and local health officials, and with God's help, we will get through this, and we will get through this together.
Mr. Vice President,
Thank you all.
Mr. Vice President, are you not hurting the